tiyak saan maibturan. My heart stands torn and bleeding, knives by all the words you're leaving. You are my life, now the weight upon my shoulders is a pain I can't outride. No kaya't mo amaamon, peges panagayat ko kengka, gudesimon daytoy biyak ko, tapno awanakon sa bidong mo. If you ever need the truth now, this is how I loved you somehow. I gave my life just to be the light beside you, even when you pushed me out. I bent but I never broke, I burned just to keep us whole. If loving you